welcome to the ATL. I want to take you guys on a little adventure today. All things life, vlog style today. I have lived in Orlando pretty much all my life, and we recently got the Sunrail at least about 5 years ago, and to be honest, I've never been on it. So I'm getting on it today. We just gonna ride. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know what I'm doing. I just want to experience the Sunrail because I am a Floridian at heart, and I want to take you guys along with me. So if you like these types of videos, please subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free. It doesn't cost you nothing, which is my type of price. So I hope you enjoy this adventure today. Let's go. On the train, making sure everyone wears their masks. The ride is so comfortable and it is so air conditioned in here. I'm loving this, so I really do highly recommend it. We got from downtown to where we are now in less than 30 minutes, and I thought that was awesome in saving time. So let's continue to ride. We're going to ride all the way to Kissimmee, get off, and kind of just see where we're at, because again, we have no idea what we're doing, but we are enjoying the ride. All right, so stay tuned. All right, so off of the train, and now we're walking to get something to drink because I'm super thirsty. But your girl over here, that train, I've never been on the train, and just from riding on that, I thought we was going 155 miles an hour. That thing was fast, but it was a very nice and comfortable ride. So just wanted to get on and get off and see how long it took. That was super fast. Normally, if you drive from downtown to Kissimmee, it's gonna take you at least 45 minutes to an hour, depending on traffic, and that took us 30 minutes. So that was great to experience that. So finna go get me a Dunkin' refresher, blueberry pomegranate to be exact, with extra blueberry, because your girl is parched. But thank you for continuing to watch this vlog Sunrail experience with me. We still got a little bit ways to go, but hope you stick around to see the rest. Welcome to the ATL, all things life, travel vlog. back on. I am refreshed, and we didn't know that it was an upstairs, so it kind of go up. You saw me go up the stairs, 1, 2, 3 floors, I guess, I don't know, but plenty seating available. I guess it gets really busy, and I see a lot of cars parked at this one. This is the last stop, so if you live in Kissimmee and have a long commute, this is perfect for that type of commute, because you save on gas, you save on, you know, any car repairs, and you know, you still get to do things while you're on the train, because the tables that they have, you'll be able to bring a laptop. I don't see any plug-in to charge anything up with, so make sure that you bring stuff that's fully charged, but you're able to read a book, be on your phone. It is great to have right here in the Orlando Kissimmee area. So we're on our way back again. We may stop off somewhere, I don't know. If so, I'll put it in the vlog. But again, thanks for traveling with me, and I'll see you in the next clip. Definitely do it again, going the other way, which is northbound. We went southbound today. So I hope you enjoyed the ride today, and I hope it encouraged you to try it out, try something new. Again, thank you for watching this vlog, and I hope to see you in the next video.